My name is Vanessa Tilaka Kalb, and I'm the head cheesemonger at Agnes Restaurant and Cheesery. Today, I'm here to talk to you about cheeses of Europe, specifically from France, and a French tradition known as an apéro. It's a pre-dinner soiree that includes friends, light snacks, and beverages. I'm going to start by dicing ripe peaches into quarter-inch cubes. We're going to chiffonade the basil. Drizzle on some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. And then we have some honey to elevate the sweetness. A little bit of salt and pepper. Mix this up and we'll set it aside to macerate. Now we have the fresh Chèvre. It's fresh and tangy and super creamy, not aged more than a few days. We're gonna spread it into a shallow bowl. The sweetness of the peaches complement the tangy and creamy Chèvre, while the vinegar and basil provide a herbaceous pop. I hope this inspires you to try fresh Chèvre in a new way and host your own apéro.